Hello, today we're going to learn how to use the Prayers Board tab in the side menu of your control panel. You will select Prayers Board and then Board. Here you will be able to view the list of prayer requests registered in the app. To view a request, you can click on the I button, and here you will see all of the details of the prayer request. Users can choose whether or not to receive a call and if they want this request posted on the prayer wall. By clicking on the Messages tab, you can see any messages that were left and when they were updated. The User's Praying tab will show you the user who requested the prayer and when. Going back to the prayer list, you can click on the drop-down arrow next to the I button, and you will be able to edit and reply to the request. You can view all of the fields of the prayer request as well as edit any of the selected information or delete the request completely. When replying to a user's request, you will see the prayer request information and can add your message at the bottom. If the user has chosen to publish their request to the prayer board, then your response will be published there as well. If they've chosen not to publish their request, then your response will only be visible to the user. By clicking Save, your message will be sent. To access this through the app, you will click on Prayer Request, and here you will be able to view the list of registered requests, send messages, and add your own request by clicking the plus sign. You can choose if you want to receive a visit or a call from a member, and if you want to share it on the wall or not. You can also click on each request to view the details and messages left on that individual request. The Prayers Board feature was created to be a simple way to see the list of prayer requests registered in your app in an easy-to-understand format. If you need any assistance using this feature or your app, please do not hesitate to contact us through our support channels. Thanks, and talk to you soon.